Hi, my name is Annelie and I'm an industrial designer in AndningMed. You have probably seen an inhaler before, but you probably did not know that the majority of the people using an inhaler, up to actually 90%, inhale their medication incorrectly, leading to suboptimal dose of medications in their lungs. We are developing a product that you can place on top of the inhaler, and it guides the user on how to inhale their medication correctly. It also is connected to an app where you as a user can go in to get more guidance on actually what you can improve until the next time. Some information is also able to be sent to healthcare provider for them to be able to keep track of their patients. We got this amazing opportunity to be able to join the Ideaction program here at Toolspace, where we got a lot of guidance from experts and a place to create prototypes to be able to test them with users. We are now preparing for clinical trials to be able to launch our product in the market. I would recommend Toolspace to anyone who has an idea and wants to make it come alive.